Salmon Mardi Gras.
First, oil up your salmon, then grab that Uncle Dibbz King Creole blend, get it at uncledibbz.com, and season up your fish. Next, get a skillet nice and hot, throw some butter in there so we get a nice char on the salmon. Next, give it a flip after about 8 or 9 minutes and cook the other side. Now it's time to make that Mardi Gras sauce. Add some butter to that same skillet, then throw in some fresh chopped garlic, add some green and red bell peppers, then add your heavy cream. For flavor, some more of that Uncle Dibbz King Creole blend, y'all. Mix it on up. Add some fresh Parmesan cheese. Keep on stirring, y'all. Now we're gonna let that sauce simmer on low to let it thicken up. I added some thyme and some fresh lemon juice.
That's good, shout.